It's Brian Niese from Mr. Ding & Dent in Kenosha, Wisconsin. This morning I'm working on a 2011 Cadillac CTS. I have an extreme fender crush that I'm repairing using Paintless Dent repair. Let's go check it out. Alright, so let's check out the damage on this 2011 Cadillac. This is measured from this yellow line here, which is the edge of the damage, all the way to the headlight is just over 21 inches. And from this bottom part up to here, I think it's about 11.5 inches. So this is some pretty significant damage, but I'm gonna get it out with Paintless Dent repair. It's gonna be no new paint, no Bondo, no Carfax report. So the repair on this Cadillac is complete. As you can see, it turned out really well. I was extremely happy with the end result of this repair. This was by far the hardest dent I have ever attempted for a number of factors. And this was done with Paintless Dent repair. There was no new paint, no Bondo, no body shop, and no Carfax report. So the customer is not concerned with this little scrape, such a little scratch. He's going to put some touch up on it. And this one and this one. It's a 7-year-old car. He just wanted to save some money on the dent. He wanted to save his factory paint. He didn't want a Carfax report. He didn't want any Bondo. So he was satisfied with just hitting these with some touch-up paint. And then he's going to sell the car. If you have any questions on any of the services listed, just give me a call, 262-359-1830.